Hi, this is Robert Weinberg, and on this channel we help individuals create freedom through expert mortgage and financial strategies. If you're new to the channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell so you get notified on all of our future videos. In today's lesson, I want to talk about how to get the best mortgage when buying a home. Some of the concepts we'll talk about in this lesson, I've done other videos on each one specifically, but I wanted to consolidate everything into one easy to watch video and give you all the information you need to get the best mortgage. So the first thing is you want to make sure you get pre-approved early. One of the biggest mistakes I'd see buyers make, and more specifically first-time buyers, is they wait until they're maybe a week or two away or God forbid, a month away from buying a home, but that's really all wrong. Even if you think that you have perfect credit and plenty of money and income and great down payment, you still want to meet with a mortgage advisor at least 3 to 6 months ideally before you're ready to buy a home. This will help them really optimize your situation and get an idea of your financial goals and how we can help you achieve those. You want to make sure you have all your documents in order. We're going to need to see paycheck stubs, W-2 forms, asset documents like bank statements or retirement statements. And if you're self-employed and applying for a non-QM mortgage, you're going to want to have 24 months of your bank statements available as well, so they can be reviewed by your mortgage advisor or loan processor quickly. When a mortgage advisor or processor asks you for a document, you really want to get it to them as soon as possible, but typically within 24 to 48 hours. So by getting all your documents in order ahead of time, it'll make sure that that lag time is as quick as possible. Next thing is getting credit ready. So the main things you want to do to get credit ready are go to annualcreditreport.com, get a copy of one of your free credit reports from the credit bureaus. It won't give you a credit score, but it'll at least give you an idea of what's on your report so you can pay down credit card balances. As I've talked about before, you want to ideally get your balances below 30% of the limit, and if you can't get them below 30% of the limit, then 50% of the limit. That'll put your best foot forward when it comes to actually applying for your mortgage. And on the end of collections, as I always say, do not go and pay old collections. That could actually hurt your credit score. But by knowing what's on your credit report, you can discuss this with your mortgage advisor up front and see if there's anything that can be done with those to enhance your profile overall before the underwriter gets to it. The next thing is actually meeting with a mortgage advisor. So I see a lot of first-time buyers making a mistake of going online and using one of these online lenders or call center companies. Unfortunately, while they do have great marketing, you're not actually dealing with an advisor. Most of the people that work at those companies have only been doing mortgages, sometimes only a few months or a year or two. This is the most important financial decision that you've probably made in your life. So having an expert advisor with a lot of experience is really important and worth its weight in gold. So make sure you've got someone that you're comfortable with, that's trustworthy, that has really good reviews online, and people actually talk to and say, you know, this person's done a great job advising me, because a mortgage, as I said, is a huge financial decision. And of course, time in the industry is important. While everyone's new at one point, having a mortgage advisor that's been in the business at least 5 or 10 years, and the more the better, will let you know that you've got somebody that's really going to have the experience to help guide you to that best loan possible. You want to communicate your goals and needs as early in the process as you can. So if you know that you're only going to be in this house that you're buying for 3 years or 5 years because you're going to be getting another job or having a child or whatever thing might be down the road for you, communicate those goals to your advisor as early as possible in the process, because there are different loan programs that may be more suitable for you based on your time frame. And if you know that this is going to be your forever home and you're probably never going to sell it, communicate that to them so they can give you a more long-term strategy when it comes to the mortgage product that'll be best for you. Make sure the mortgage fits into your long-term financial plan. So this kind of goes with the last bullet point about communicating your goals. And as I talked about in my last video, you want to decide whether a fixed rate mortgage like 15, 20, or 30-year fixed, or an adjustable rate like a 5, 7, or 10-year ARM product would be best for you, again, based on your financial goals. And by communicating with your mortgage advisor early in the process, or even before you begin the process, they'll be able to best customize that financial strategy when it comes to your mortgage based on your particular circumstance. And last but not least is review your mortgage at least once a year. So something I do with all my clients is an annual financial review. Even if your mortgage advisor doesn't reach out to you annually, go ahead and reach out to them proactively. See if there's better programs available or different programs. Maybe interest rates have gone down since you purchased your home. There's a lot of different changes that occur in the lending industry on an ongoing basis. So by doing that annual review, at least you'll be able to figure out and make sure that you're in the best mortgage for your needs on an ongoing basis. So I hope that this helps, and I hope that it's giving you some really good information and helped you learn something. I hope that you'll go ahead and share this with others who may benefit, who are in the process or looking to buy their first home here soon. And I hope that you'll leave your comment below. As always, reach out to me on social media or call or text my office directly if I can be of help. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.